Motel 1 Honest Review. Look before you search for a hotel. Most people assume budget hotels compromise on comfort, but Motel 1 blends affordability with modern design and convenient locations. Motel 1 is a European hotel chain known for stylish rooms, central locations, and value pricing. One standout feature is the combination of sleek, contemporary interiors with practical amenities like free Wi-Fi, comfortable beds, and compact but functional bathrooms. Most people get this wrong. They assume cheap hotels lack quality service. The surprising truth is Motel 1 maintains consistent standards across locations, with friendly staff and a clean, welcoming environment. Many hotels also include social spaces, bars, or lounges where guests can relax or network. Another advantage is location. Motel 1 properties are usually in city centers, close to public transport, attractions, and business districts, making them ideal for both leisure and business travelers. Booking is straightforward online, and their loyalty program provides additional savings. However, there are considerations. Rooms are typically compact, so families or travelers needing extra space may feel limited. Breakfast is often available, but may come at an extra cost, depending on the location. In conclusion, Motel 1 is a reliable choice for travelers seeking stylish, centrally located accommodation without overspending. Its consistency, modern design, and convenience make it a strong budget-friendly option. Subscribe for more honest hotel reviews before booking your next trip.